In this video, we're going to focus on making very interesting lines. First, I'm going to think of a landscape. My inspiration is a mountain this time, up close. So, then I want a few. Notice I didn't just draw a zigzag line. I'm drawing just one part of the zigzag. Zigzag, zigzag, but I'm not connecting it. I'm letting it go long. I want these mountains to look interesting. So now it kind of looks like that one's behind. From here, I'm going to create one side as the shadow. This is a hatching technique. If you are in 5th grade, you will recognize hatching. If you've read Dr. Seuss's books, you'll recognize the lines to make a shadow. So I didn't want us just to talk zigzag, diagonal, and straight for 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade. We want to use our lines like an artist. Kind of gets a little weird right there. So now I have a shadowed side. From here, I want to add some interesting details with my other lines. So I'm going to think about where I want to place the sun. We do not just want a corner sun. We're going to avoid putting a corner sun. So now we're going to place our sun in our landscape on the horizon. And so I have a few places anywhere on here. You can place your sun in the sky, just don't put it in the corner. Please, no corner suns. I think I want my sun right here. Now I'm going to make a curved line pattern as my sun radiates out. I added a few curved lines. I am out of room, but I can kind of just start and stop that space. Go one more time. There we go. Kind of stopped it and started it. Now I want to communicate the bright rays of sun, the rays that shoot out from the sun. So after that, I'm using my lines just a little differently than creating a circle with spikes. I want them to travel all the way to the edge of the paper. Okay, this is kind of a weird spot. I'm going to imagine that it goes here. There we go. Kind of imagine where it is. Imagine how it might come out. There we go. I'm gonna add another one up here, and now I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. I did not draw through the tip of my mountain because I want that to look like a peak of the mountain. Just have to imagine how that might come out right there. Notice how I made them a little closer here and a little further out. That's fine. Now at this point I have mountains, sun rays. We could imagine several other things. We could imagine hills, we could imagine rivers. I'm going to leave it here. I would like for you to add something interesting to your picture. One thing I want to add to my picture is color. So I am going to do a tutorial just using some crayons, coloring this, but I'm going to do it in fast forward.